In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your zone in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Much like styles, zones are going to be a vital part of Basketball Zero. You can acquire different zones by going over to this menu here, and you can browse through the odds. So, to acquire different zones, you have to use your spins. You will have normal spins, which will have lower odds of getting high rarity ones, and you have lucky odds, which will make it so the bare minimum that you can get are legendary zones, and you will have slightly higher odds of getting mythic, miracle, and limited zones. And the same thing applies for styles as well. So when you reach this menu, you see the current zone that you have equipped here at the left. So I have Limitless, for example, and the description will tell me what it does. Greatly improved aim assist, shots from further distance. If you want to acquire a different one, just go over here and use your spins or lucky spins. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to lose this legendary one that I have. If you also don't want to lose the current zone or style that you have, you can purchase additional slots. So you just click on this slot here and you can use Robux to acquire it. This way you can keep a specific zone or style, but you can still roll because it is going to be saved. So you just roll on a different slot. If you click on a specific zone or style, you will increase the odds of getting that specific one. So for example, if I use a normal spin, I will have a 0.5% chance of getting a mythic, with one of the options being street dribbler. But because I clicked on it, it will give me higher odds of getting this specific one compared to these other ones here, but it can still happen. So after you use your spin, it will be automatically equipped to the slot where you did the row. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.